In this tutorial video, we have a question on change of subject formula, and we are asked to make Q the subject of the formula. Given this formula, we are asked to make Q the subject of the formula. So we'll be solving this. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution. The first thing to do is to square both sides of the equation. If we square both sides of the equation, we have L squared to be equal to 4 all over 3 m square root of PQ all squared. So the next thing to do is for we to open this bracket. So we'll move over to the other side. Jamb questions are kind of easy. It's just to understand them. Now, if we square the whole of this will go over to this point. We'll have it as 4 squared all over 3 squared. We'll also have here as m squared, and this square will all delete the square root here. So we have p here. So rewriting this, we can write it as L squared to be equal to 16 all over 9 m squared PQ. It's same as writing L squared to be equal to 16 m squared PQ all over 9. Next thing to do is to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, this 9 will go over to this place. So we'll have 9L squared to be equal to 16M squared PQ. And we are asked to make Q the subject of the formula. So the next thing to do is to make Q the subject of the formula. It then means that Q will be equal to, we bring the whole of this, 16 m squared p all over 9l squared. 9l squared. So this becomes our answer to this Jamb question. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.